mud here. It's a beautiful, beautiful end of October afternoon. Oh, look at those colors. Look at those colors. In the end of the nice season. It's supposed to get down below freezing this weekend, which is when we stop having fun with Cobb. But right now we're having lots of fun with Cobb. We're renting a mixer because my electric mixer over here that's been so good to me for so long has finally started acting up. It's been through $300 specialty switches in the last month. It's a mortar mixer, and Cobb just kind of makes it tired. So we are renting a bigger gas-powered mortar mixer and using it to stock up on Cobb, if you will. We've got a pizza oven to finish at Hiram College this week, and another oven to build early next week. And if we can build them and burn them to get all the water out before they freeze, they'll work really well. So we're trying to get all the Cobb done. Look, we're also on a project here trying to get all our firewood for our rocket mass heater stored inside before it starts to rain and rain. But we have this pile here of compactable fill that we get from the gravel pit. This is the stuff they wash off the gravel. It's about 50-50 sand and clay, and costs me about $20 a ton delivered. So it's a perfect Cobb mix for what we're doing. And we've been filling these buckets with it. And it's going to get really loud over there, so I'll explain first what we're doing. We're filling these buckets with about half full with this clay sand mix, bringing them over and dumping them in the mixer with about 4 of them and about a gallon of water and about 5 gallons of tamped down chopped straw. Gives us a really good mix, and we're filling up these buckets with it and putting them in the truck to get ready for our pizza oven. This mixer actually does quite well making Cobb. Compacted straw bales you can get from the Tractor Supply place that work better in these rotary mixers than just straight bales of straw that can get bound up around our tines. There's our Cobb mix. This right here, that's about a pizza oven's worth. 24-inch inside diameter pizza oven. It's going to be more fun later this week. We got a bunch of college kids in an environmental studies program building themselves a pizza oven out of our Cobb mix. Try to get some more pictures of that. In the meantime, we're enjoying the out of doors. I'm playing hooky from my computer job so that I can see this amazing sight. Look at these beautiful colors. Cobb. And our wonderful friends helping us. And our loud but very handy mixer. It's probably about 4 times as fast as doing it in my electric mixer, which is about 10 times as fast as doing it by foot. Someday I'll get one of those big old silage